Good morning, children. Now, today we will see what are the different data types we are using in Python. For numbers, okay, for numbers data type we have to store in we have to store the numeric values. Numeric values are being stored in a variable name in which the data type should be consist of number. Okay, so Python can easily differentiate one data type from another. If you want to store a string value, that data type will be different. If you want to store a numeric value, that data type will be different. So there are built-in different three types of built-in numeric data types. One is integer, second one is floating point, third one is complex number. Integer means integer values without decimal. Okay, floating points are with decimal, and complex are, math children will know, 7i, 2i, 7i plus 5. These are the complex numbers. Okay, so long integers do not form a separate group of instructions but are included in integer or int. Means integer is a data type, long is also a data type, but it includes within the integer only. Tip what it is given: an integer in Python can be of any length. The length of the characters, this is the length of the character. This is of 4 characters. This is of 3 characters. This is of single character digit. This is of multiple digits. So the length of the data type is can be of any length. Okay. The first one is int, for integer values, to store the whole number. No fractional part or no decimal part. For that, int is the data type. For the floating numbers or decimal numbers, float, FLOAT, you have to write in the small letters. In the float you can store the 0.3.14, minus 43.2. in the integer also you can store the negative value 0 also. In float also you can store positive values or the negative values. A value stored as a floating point number in Python can have maximum 53 bits of precision. Okay, you can next to data type is the complex number. Complex number in Python are made up of pairs of real and imaginary numbers, just like x equals to 2 plus 5j. Okay, it will x dot real means it will display the print the first digit before, or the complex number. J, when it comes, I, j, z, these are the complex values. Okay, so 5j, this is the imaginary part, so it will come to 5. Okay, where x is float and the real part of the complex number. On the other side, yj, where y is a float and j or lower case indicates the square root of the imaginary number minus 1. This makes the imaginary part of the complex number. Beta, you have to first learn about the integer data type and the float. Complex numbers, just for they ask, if the question comes x equals to 2 plus 5j, which data type you will use in this? You have to use the complex data type. Okay, now next data type is your string. String means anything you return within the double quotes is called your string, whether it's a number or it's a group of characters. Suppose str is a variable in which you are storing double quotes hello Python, print str. It will print hello Python. Whatever you have written in double quotes, it will print that is your string. Okay, a string is a sequence of characters that can be combined of letters, numbers or special symbols enclosed within quotation marks, single or double. Either you will write single quotes, double quotes or triple single quotes. These are the single quotes only, but 3 times here left side, 3 times right side. These quotes are not part of the string. They only define the starting and ending of the string. A string may have any character, sign or even space in between them. See here, the space is there, hello space Python. Anything you write within the double quotes is your string. Okay, this string quotes will only tell that this where from where the string is starting and where the string is ending, right?